Hello gamer buddies, I'm Gamer Boy Taj. So today we're playing Kaiju Universe. So this is the Halloween update to in the third or second video we do the Kumonga and now we're doing the zombie guy again. It is one of the coolest kaijus in Kaiju Universe. It can infect kaijus into zombie. It's a super creepy kaiju. Look, it's all zombie and creepy. It has mosquitoes coming out of his body. Okay, now don't talk too much and get to the showcase. Before we do the showcase, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Okay, the first attack is Tendon Skewer. It does 360 damage. Oh, it does two-hand attack, two claws, I think. 1 2. Okay, 360. The second attack is Unrelenting Maim. It does 270 damage. Oh, he attacks with the that's how he inflicts other kaijus. Look. Whoa, he attacks with this. It's super creepy. Now the third attack does 290 damage. It's his beam. He shoots from his head. Okay, the attack is Plague Beam. Oh, it's a black plague beam. Wow, super cool. Okay, now the roar. The first roar, Zombified Roar. In this roar, a normal Gigan turns into Zombie Gigan. And now Zombified Rage. Oh, that's more like it. Okay, now the walking animation. And people say he's pretty fast. And in the when the Halloween update is not in Kaiju Universe, he was a game person. But now he cost 14,000 G cells. Okay, people say he's pretty fast. So let's try it ourselves. Oh wow, it's like a zombie running at you, but it's a zombie guy again. Oh my god, he's pretty fast. Okay, now the walking is like a normal zombie like. Okay, now the swimming animation. Okay. Oh, he can attack in the water. Like he wants to attack kaijus in the water. Okay, so that's pretty much of Zombie Gigan. Wait, I need to go to the land first. Oh, where is the land? Okay, here. So that's pretty much all of Zombie Gigan. Before we end the video,